I would like to call on the stage Mr. Shashikant Chowdhury and Mr. Amit Singhal. Please give it a huge round of applause and welcome Mr. Chowdhury and Mr. Singhal on the panel.
So very good morning to you all and all the distinguished speakers sitting over here, and they came in last night. Some of the, senior people just came in the morning just for this particular meeting, this conference. Mahavir is just going to be joining us in next maybe 5 minutes. And this is an opportunity for me to welcome everybody over here. And this is our third edition for the Advantage Vidarbha, where we have the Galaxy speakers who would be, addressing you. And these are not going to be the GAN sessions. These are going to be the practical sessions. This is not about telling, what is written somewhere else. This is what they see in their real life, what they see, what mistakes. These are the people who know the patterns. These are the people who know, moment you start teaching them, in the first 3 minutes, वो आपसे यही बात करते हैं कि ये मूवी मुझे मालूम है, ये मूवी का एंड भी मुझे मालूम है. तो उनके दिमाग में वो पूरा चलते रहता है, because they have so much of data, so much of startups, so many startups they would have seen. So they know exactly how this movie is going to be played out. And this is particularly very important for the people, the young startups, the young students, young professionals who are starting their journey. ये देखो, I typically have this analogy of the cricket, and especially when the cricket matches, all the test matches, all the stars were coming from metros. सब पूरी teams जो होती थी मुंबई से, दिल्ली से, चेन्नई से, because all infrastructure was built up over there. And then slowly, as the infrastructure started getting in place, the stadiums, the systems, the training and nets and all these kind of things brought together, we started seeing the players coming from the different parts of the region. फिर धोनी जी आए, हमारे रैना जी आए, जडेजा जी आए. These are all people from tier 2 and tier 3 cities. So similarly, what is going to be happening is more towards whatever the first 20 years we saw, especially from 2010 to 2016, 15 years, this was the journey of the tier 1, tier 2. But the journey, real journey, where it is, we have just seen the top part of the pyramid. The lower part of the pyramid is just starting, and this is where the real story is going to happen. This is where the tier 2, tier 3 play will start happening, and the superstars will emerge from tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Because again, I want to draw an analogy with the cricket again. I can't resist that. When you have good pitches, you have like a curated pitches, and when you know what weather conditions, you know how the ball is going to move, then probably you can play, right? And then you can prepare and you can play those kind of strokes. And that's tier 1, tier 2 people, they play in that conditions. हमारे यहाँ पे हम कौन से pitches पे खेलते हैं? यहाँ पे तो pitches पहले दिन से turn होना चालू होता है. There is no predictability of कहाँ से funding आएगा. There is no predictability of कहाँ से ये startup के लिए next customer कहाँ से आएगा. In those conditions, when these startups, tier 2, tier 3 के जो startups यहाँ से जो चालू करते हैं, it's a very tough journey. It's a very tough journey, and the tough journey really creates the smartest players. If you see the Jadejas of the world and Dhonis of the world, they played in the very, very tough conditions, and their natural instinct made them the superstar because they were toughened up during the journey. And that journey is being played out by all the startups, which is going to be now part of the tier 2 and tier 3 kind of a story over here. These people are here to tell you about whatever, as I said, whatever they have seen. This is our third edition of Advantage Vidarbha, and where we are trying to help build the ecosystem over here, making sure that all the startups, yesterday also we had an event where the startups, curated startups, were pitching the seasoned VCs in the IIM campus itself. And also we have an exclusive dinner of the startups and the investors. So that dinner is also a very special dinner where only startups and the investors meet. There are no other people. Either the person who gives the money and the person who wants the money. There are only these two category of people. They are there so that they will get enough face time with the VCs and can connect with them at a personal level. And that's where is happening. And in this process, in the last 2 editions, we could help 5 startups to get the funding from this VC ecosystem. Now, this is just a starting. The initial levels is just a sowing the seeds, and we'll start seeing the benefits as the things progress. We have started this family cap initiative. I must tell the young people who are not aware or are not aware, we have the pool of capital which is available to us, which is like 50 startups, 50 lakhs for each startups by 50 family offices. This is called as a family cap, and this is only for Vidarbha region. So all the Vidarbha region startups who want the first check, that first check would be given by the Nagpur family offices. We have already given the first 55 lakhs rupees check, अभी 1 करोड़ का हो गया उनका. दूसरा स्टार्टअप का चेक अभी जा रहा है. Within the next 2 or 3 days, next startup is getting funded. Potentially, we have a capacity to give almost like one check every month. Potentially, हर 12 महीने में 1 महीने में 50 lakhs, half a crore check we can give. And of course, we have all the incubation managers, CEOs sitting over here. There are a lot of funds which are available from the Genius scheme, Genesis scheme, then SISFI, EIRI. All those schemes are available where the funds are given to the extent of, from like the grants, from like 5 lakhs up to like 50 lakhs. And these are empowered people, and the government wants to use these as a mechanisms to disburse the funds to the deserving startups. So there is a lot of work which is being done by Shivaji from the IIM, Kush from Raisoni, and all other incubators. They are in place. Without further ado, what I will ask Amit to just give a very small introduction, and then we'll proceed to the fireside chat with Mahavir. That's our plan. But really a warm welcome, and please use this opportunity to meet these people and to learn the tricks of the trade. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Amit Singhal. I run a fund called Fluid Venture, and thank you all for having here. And first of all, I would like to thank all the investors who have come here from all across the country and decided to share their experience with you people. So my suggestion is that take maximum out of it, because they are here for the entire day. They are going to share their experience to make sure that you learn whatever you can learn, means in the maximum way. And sir has shared a very good analogy of the cricket. So we should, I have no word other than that. So thank you very much all once again. With that, I would request MC to start. Thank you. Mahavir sir, can you take the seat? We are starting with the fireside chat.
All the faculty members and students we have today for the chat or the panel discussion, Mr. Mahavir Pratap Sharma, give it a huge round of applause and welcome. And I request to Mr. Shashikant Chowdhury sir to please welcome and felicitate by with the shawl as a welcome to our dignitary, Mr. Mahavir Pratap Sharma, on the stage, please. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Please have a seat. Once again, very warm welcome in the Khasdar Audyogik Mahotsav Advantage Vidarbha 2026 with the theme of the empowering growth. And today we have our dignitary, Mr. Mahavir Pratap Sharma, and let's continue with this beautiful panel session. Hand over the mic and the podium to Mr. Mahavir Pratap Sharma here.
Right. So we are really fortunate to have Mahavir over here. I mean, he has such a rich experience in terms of building the ecosystems. He was a part of the global trustee of the TIE. Then he was also, almost like a head of TIE India Angels. And now he has started his own fund, Switchin, and where they are helping the startups at a seed and Series A level. That's the kind of the thesis. But most importantly, he has seen the system grounds up. And more so for us people from Nagpur, they will relate to him because we are again similar cities. He comes from a Jaipur side and we are from a Nagpur side. So it's like a tier 2 tier 3 kind of a setup, not from a classical metros, not anything about the metros though, but he relates to those problems, yeah, which the typical tier 2, tier 3 cities startups face. Now, what we'll do is we'll try to leverage his experience over the years, almost like कितना बार 15-20 साल तो हो गए अभी 20 साल तो
15 साल हो गए
15 साल तो हो गए अभी तो ये 15 साल से जो उन्होंने अभी जो TGS हुआ था राजस्थान में so he was the major organizer for that and such a fantastic event we had over there, galaxy of speakers from all over the world which came in for that. So without further ado, let's try to dive into this. तो पहला क्वेश्चन तो वही है कि what's the biggest misconception people in the metros have about tier 2 founders?
ये जो आगे वाली रो में लोग बैठे हैं टीयर 1
इनके लिए ज्यादा है
इनके दिमाग में कई टीयर 2 के बारे में मिसकंसेप्शन है पहला तो ये they don't realize that the tenacity and जो उनके ऊपर गुजरा है टीयर 2 में, they are very rugged and very strong and they are very committed to whatever they are doing. That's number, because they have nowhere else to go. हमको याद जब शुरुआत में जब एंजल इन्वेस्टमेंट होता था तो हम ये देखते थे कि यार you should not have an option, you should not be riding in two boats. Tier 2, Tier 3 के पास ना नौकरी है ना कुछ है, they have to succeed. So that is the best thing that Tier 2, Tier 3 has. Even if you go to Tier 1 cities, people who come from Tier 2, Tier 3 cities are the people who will be far more stronger or more resilient. So I think that is one misconception that they have. The second misconception is deep tech है, manpower नहीं होगी, technology की knowledge नहीं होगी. I think with education and online and now with AI, technology is not subjective to being in a certain city or a certain country anymore. So I think the fact that you are in a tier 2 city and that's misconception कि नहीं Bangalore होगा, Hyderabad होगा तो हमको ये टेक मिलेगा या वो टेक मिलेगा या मैन पावर मिलेगी, वो अब चीज आई थिंक से बदल गई है because your tech could be sitting anywhere. And even in the tier 2, tier 3 cities, there's people who are very capable, people who've learned and been educated in good institutes and gone back to their tier 2, tier 3 cities. So I think those are the two misconceptions that they have. Rest strengths आपको मालूम ही है.
ठीक. So now, if you happen to meet, and if any one of these people happen to meet any tier 2 or tier 3 founder, what are those 2 or 3 signals you look for which tells you, oh, this startup is going to make national or international or they are going to make big?
देखिए, in any startup, चाहे वो tier 2 से हो, चाहे tier 3 से हो, जब तक टीम और आइडिया में मोट नहीं होगा, something that is differentiating, जो बाकी सब से वो अलग नहीं होगा, चाहे कोई भी सेक्टर हो, चाहे कंज्यूमर प्रोडक्ट हो, चाहे टेक हो, डीप टेक हो, जो भी हो, unless you have something different going for your idea or your startup, you will not be able to succeed. सबसे पहले तो ये देखना जरूरी है कि जो आप करना जा रहे हो वो प्रोडक्ट वायबल है, सर्विस वायबल है और उसके अलावा उसमें आप में और बाकी दुनिया में क्या डिफरेंस है. आई थिंक दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग, दैट इज द ओनली थिंग दैट वी लुक एट, especially and in tier 2, tier 3 cities also we will now we look at their capabilities, their abilities, and their strengths, and the roadmap that they need to have, because without having a short term 2-3 year 4-year roadmap it will not work. So I think these are the 2-3 things that we immediately look at कि बच्चे में कुछ अलग करने की इच्छा है, टीम अच्छी है और 3-4 साल का रोड मैप और क्लैरिटी है. Because some people are confused, ये भी कर लो, वो भी कर लो, ये भी बेच लो, वो भी बेच लो, वो नहीं होना चाहिए. Because sometimes
इसी को मैं एक्सटेंड कर रहा हूँ, आप ही का क्वेश्चन यहीं पे एक्सटेंड कर रहा हूँ कि चलो यहाँ पे तो आपको टीम डिफरेंशिएशन सब दिख गया, पूरा यू फील कंफर्टेबल अबाउट इट. टियर 2 नागपुर का फाउंडर है, आपसे मिलता है, ये सारी चीज़ें हो गई, तो उसके यू वांट टू गिव हिम अ 5 टिप्स और 5 प्लेबुक कि ये दीज आर द 5 स्टेप्स यू शुड बेसिकली यूज दिस एज अ प्लेबुक.
सी, पहले तो अपनी आपको जानो, अपने और अपनी टीम की काबिलियत, स्ट्रेंथ्स और वीकनेसेस. यू शुड नो योरसेल्फ. Are you capable of solving a certain problem? Do you have it in you to give in the next 3 to 5 years to the idea or the business that you see. First is self-assessment. If you are not sure of yourself, if अगर आपको अपने आप में confidence नहीं है, आप में commitment नहीं है, तो कोई फायदा नहीं है. Then you look to a real-time problem, a scalable problem, a problem that can go across India, not only just in tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, but rural, tier 4 city and the Bharat, if I may. That is the second thing, finding that problem. Then obviously finding a solution that is different from what others are already doing. How can you do it better? How can you do it cheaper? How can you do it, grow it faster? Aapki go to market kya hai? So all those things are very, very important. So I think those 4-5 things are very, very critical. And then continuing to work with it, having a plan, having the right investor, I think the mentor is a very important in tier 2, tier 3 cities, to have, tie chapters across people like you who are living in tier 2, and people like us in Jaipur, Indore, whatever. People should find the right mentoring because it's very important, otherwise they get confused and they get digressed. So it's very important to have the right mentor. And then of course finding the first investor is a very important thing. The first investor is almost like a parent, and वो जब तक वो सपोर्ट नहीं करेगा, वो सही नहीं होगा, you might go in the wrong direction.
तो थोड़ा अभी इन्वेस्टर साइड में जैसे आपने बोला कि फर्स्ट चेक इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, तो पहले जो आपका whatever the people are pitching in terms of the first 5 to 7 minutes, what's the kind of a narrative you look for, whether it's a numbers or the story, which dominates?
See, I think story is more important. I think numbers will follow. But अगर किसी के पास numbers बहुत धांसू हैं, तो पहले see I'll tell you, pitching के मामले में 7 मिनट तो बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. हमारे को लगता है हम लोग 2-3 मिनट में हमारा ध्यान गायब हो जाता है. So the first 2 minutes are very, very critical. और 2 मिनट में आपको सबसे चीज़ वो बोलनी चाहिए जिससे कि हमारी सबकी आंखें खुले और हम जानना चाहें कि ये इसने 1 महीने में 10 गुना कैसे हर महीने 10 गुना कैसे ग्रो कर रहा है, इसने इतने फॉलोवर कैसे हो गए, या इसका इतना रेवेन्यू कैसे आ गया, इसमें इसका प्रोडक्ट साला 100 रुपए का बेचता है और फिर भी इसने 1 करोड़ का माल कैसे बेच लिया. सो ऑल दीज, सो यू हैव टू कम अप विद द राइट first 2 minutes. If it is the product, if it is the service, if it is the numbers, if it is the team that you have, if it is the idea that you're disrupting, which is an existing business model, the first 2 minutes are very, very critical. You should start with whatever is your best thing, because I don't think तो 30 मिनट में किसी को भी इन्वेस्टर के पास टाइम है ना ध्यान है, ना हम वो चौथी स्लाइड के बाद देखते हैं कि क्या होना है और क्या नहीं होना है. We are all very impatient, we are all inundated with decks, so I think the first 2-3 minutes are the most critical 2-3 minutes.
जो भी आपका स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट है उसके ऊपर खेलो,
उसी से शुरू करना चाहिए मेरे ख्याल से, चाहे वो आइडिया है, चाहे वो मोट है, चाहे वो नंबर्स है, चाहे वो ग्रोथ है, चाहे वो गो टू मार्केट है, चाहे जो भी है, जो बेस्ट चीज़ है वही बोलनी चाहिए.
So now everything being equal, when again coming back to the founder and the product side, I mean, product is the means to do a business, but at the end of the day, the distribution wins. So in that kind of a context, what are you seeing as a kind of a distribution moats? कि कहाँ पे आप, you are creating that wall garden for other people not to enter into your field?
I mean, what are the moats that I am seeing?
Yeah.
I mean, see, I think other than technology, I think go to market is the biggest challenge that see everyone can have a great product, everyone can have a great disruptive idea or something that they can sell that is better than others, but जब तक उसका sale नहीं होगा वो zero है. So what is your cheapest way to market your product, whether it's an enterprise product, whether it's a B2C, whether it's a B2B2C, whether it's B2G, whatever it is, unless you have cracked the code where you don't have to worry about selling the product. See, everyone comes to us and says, मैं ये रहा product ये है, मेरा ये है, मेरा ये है, और competition की slide में सबसे अच्छा होता है, सब जगह आपका टिक लगा होता है, बाकी सब जगहों के क्रॉस लगे होते हैं, तो फिर माल बिक क्यों नहीं रहा? When you're so good, then why are you cheaper? Why can't you ask for a bigger price? So the problem is कहीं ना कहीं maths add नहीं होता है, and that is because हर चीज़ आप अपनी तारीफ में बोलते हो, competition में बोलते हो, team में बोलते हो, लेकिन धंधा नहीं हो रहा है. तो your marketing and sales should happen, referral है, repeat है, cost of customer acquisition should be going down within 12 months. All those things should be visible. तब मैं प्रोडक्ट में टीम में तब मानता हूँ, उसके बाद टीम की काबिलियत दूसरे से मालूम पड़ती है. तो आई थिंक द बिगेस्ट थिंग इज गो टू मार्केट, सेल सेल सेल.
Correct. So now this again brings back to the same question. We look for the product market fit, but at the same time, then you need to have a founder market fit also, because you are talking about the founder who is really doing that sell in the initial stage. How do you spot that, founder market fit? I mean, how do you judge?
See, all of us angels and VCs are basically psychologists also. So हम जब उसको grill करते हैं, जब उससे सवाल पूछते हैं, जब उसको confuse करने की कोशिश करते हैं, we do all of that. And we there's a stress test that I do, and I think many people do that. Because एक बार मना भी कर देते हैं, and then whatever it is. So I think the judgment of the person's commitment, the judgment of person's ability, the judgment of person कि भाई यार ये तो करके ही मानेगा, पैसे मिले नहीं मिले. That is, you come back to us for 3 months, after 3 months. ये हम सब बड़े standard जवाब हैं हम सब के. वो सब इसलिए हैं कि हम देख रहे हैं कि इसमें कितना मादा कितना है, इसमें किसमें काबिलियत कितनी है, इसकी how committed is he or she for this idea. So I think that founder market fit तो हम उसको ठोक बजा के ठीक कर लेते हैं. And उसमें फर्क नहीं पड़ता. And we have become so immune now. पहले 2016, 17, 18 में होता था कि वो 4 टर्म शीट घूमती थी. अभी उसको किसी की टर्म नहीं तो यार उससे ले ले, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. Because it is not going to work. So it's very important that you have to be committed, and we will find it out, because हमारे जो सवाल जवाब हैं, हमारे जो numbers हैं, हमारे जो follow up calls हैं, वो सब में सब
पता लग जाता है.
पता लगना ही लगना है, वरना तो फायदा ही नहीं है.
तो जैसा आप you invest in a seed stage, right? सामने में फाउंडर बैठा हुआ है. फाउंडर भी पैसा बनाना चाह रहा है, या प्रोडक्ट के साथ में बिजनेस करेगा, पैसा बनाएगा. आप जो इन्वेस्ट करोगे आप भी पैसा बनाना चाहोगे. तो ये फाउंडर जो है, हाउ शुड एक्सप्लेन टू यू? पहले उसने एग्जिट प्लान आपको एक्सप्लेन करना चाहिए, कि एग्जिट प्लान पहले से बता दिया तो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस कम हो गया कि ये सिर्फ पैसे बनाने के लिए आया, तो क्या करना चाहिए?
नहीं, एग्जिट प्लान तो नहीं बताना चाहिए. आई थिंक एग्जिट प्लान शुड नॉट बी पार्ट ऑफ द डेक एनीवेज. हम सब ज्ञानी हैं, ज्ञानी नहीं, हम सब सर्व ज्ञानी हैं. हमको मालूम है कहाँ पे एग्जिट होगा, कहाँ पे नहीं होगा. इफ वी डोंट सी एन एग्जिट वी विल नॉट इन्वेस्ट. इवन इफ यू आर अ ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट, ग्रेट सर्विस, प्रॉफिटेबल, 30% ग्रोथ ईयर ऑन ईयर, बट इफ वी सी, वैसे तो अभी सरकार ने बायबैक का कानून आसान कर दिया है, तो अब बायबैक भी अब एक एग्जिट ऑप्शन बन जाएगा. वरना अगर अच्छी कंपनी है जिसको पैसे की जरूरत नहीं पड़नी है, सर इसके बाद तो मुझे पैसे नहीं चाहिए, आई विल ग्रो, देन हमारे दिमाग में डाउट होता है कि यार एग्जिट कैसे मिलेगा मुझे. But now with the law changing, and hopefully buyback is an option, good deep tech companies or good biotech companies or companies that will be profitable sooner or later with some IP in place, probably a buyback will be an option, and I think that is also an option. But I don't think we need to tell exit. हम सबको मालूम है कि हमको exit इस company में कैसे और कहाँ मिल सकता है.
So one last question from my side, and then we'll open a couple of questions from the panel, the audience itself. So Svishin, now you have this fund and you invest in the seed and Series A.
Pre-seed. I don't do series. Pre-seed and seed. I'm the first or second check. Yeah.
First and second check. What is that you want to look more for, and what is that you avoid? What is your thesis on that? I mean, if founders come to you, they should know, I should reach out to Mahavir if I need a funding.
I mean, we keep an open mind. We listen to everything. We read everything. But what we stay away from is high capex, high opex, high burn, for sure. अगर मुझे लगेगा कि खाली पैसे का ही खेल है, I mean, other than deep tech, if I see it's all about money and who will burn more or who will be the last man standing, I try and stay away from it. But otherwise, even high capex, if it's unless deep tech is changing that rule in terms of high capex, but we really need to have a roadmap where they have enough money to be commercially viable and reach to a TRL 7 or 8. So we would get into TRL 4, 5 situation as a pre-seed or seed, so that 7, 8 तक हमको बड़े fund आके exit दे दें, and right before commercial launch or at commercial launch. So that is the only exception in deep tech. Otherwise, we stay away from high capex and high opex.
Right. As I promised, now open to the audience for a couple of questions. How much time we have? 2 minutes. So I've been instructed only 2 questions.
Hello,
Sure.
sir. My name is Ashwin Agarwal. My question is for deep tech. If the gestation period is high, if the gestation period is long, 1-2 years, and revenue will generate after that. How do you evaluate such kind of startups?
I mean, of course, sector is important. What they are doing in deep tech, we also look at a global competition. I don't know where you are, but we look at global competition possibilities also in deep tech at such an early stage, because obviously it's a very high risk business, but it is a very interesting domain, and gestation period is long. We're aware of that, but there are funds that will get into it sooner and later. So that's what I guess we look at, but we look at global competition and if it's viable or not viable.
Sure, one more question. अच्छा पीछे में आ गया माइक माइक उधर गया.
Hello, sir. Couple of quick questions.
One question.
These are very
Rapid fire,
actually.
yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Deeper ideas or better sellable ideas? What do you invest in?
Sellable.
And second is, there's a very good observation that I have been observing. Even I have been looking for funds. Tier 2 has been getting funds now, but the kitty that we are receiving, the quantum of funds for Tier 2 versus a metro is absolutely different. So
I
I've
agree.
seen-
So I totally agree with you there. Valuation and the quantum of money in tier 2, tier 3 is less because you are realistic. You look at the bottom line. You look at quality of profitability in the short run, long run. Your growth is stepwise and not abnormally fast. We as investors are also conservative. So tranche 1, tranche 2, or a follow-on round will happen shortly. But we really want to judge and test with a smaller amount of money at a smaller valuation, so that neither the equity gets diluted a lot and neither our money is put at risk, because we have to spread our risk over 2 or 3 tranches, and the valuation will go up once you prove that. So it is a strategic move and it is a sensible move. जितना cautious tier 2, tier 3 का startup है, उतना ही cautious tier 2, tier 3 का investor भी है, because हमको भी अपने पैसे बचा के और अपने को risk को spread करना जरूरी है. That is why you see that, and I agree with that. But it is good and healthy. आपको उनको dilute करना ज़्यादा.
Right.
You should not also dilute enough.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
That's why I wanted. Hi, this is Gansham Mahavir. Good to see you. I think it's a burning question. Being from Nagpur, I can ask on behalf of Nagpur. I believe you are from a traditional business, right? Brick and mortar जो बोलते हैं हम लोग, traditional business. If you can tell everybody कौन से business से आप आए हैं?
Carpets and jewelry.
Carpets and jewelry. That's what I wanted to highlight to everybody कि वहाँ से. So my next question is Mahavir, जो biggest problem होता है traditional businessman को, जो नई generation को समझ में आ रहा है अभी. How did your mind change from गल्ले वाला धंधा जो बोलते हैं हम लोग, right? कि कल तो पैसा cash flow business, from a cash flow business to a valuation business or a value creation. How did you change your shift, your mindset, please?
So the reason, of course, is TIE. We did a TIE global retreat in Jaipur in December 2009, and I was the president of TIE Rajasthan then. And मैं सुबह 9 बजे फैक्ट्री जाता था और रात को 9 बजे आता था और सारे दिन लेबर से माथा लगाता था, और I think उस टाइम पे I was making about 1 crore a year from my carpet business. And फिर मेरे बगल में संजीव बिखचंदानी बैठा है, इधर दीप कालरा बैठा है, इधर सौरभ बैठा है, और वो NASDAQ पे लिस्ट हो रहे थे. तो मैंने कहा साला मैं पागल हूँ जो गधे की तरह काम करता हूँ, और ये देखो, they started in 1999, 2000, 2002, and we have a legacy 73 से शुरू किया हुआ. My mother started the business and I'm still struggling. और फिर रोज वही buyer, फिर पेमेंट की भी भीख मांगो. तो मैंने कहा ना, ये धंधा सही है. And that's when I started to get into angel investment. That is one of the reasons why I changed, and I realized that there is making money smartly is far better than putting hard work and labor. मजदूर भी मेहनत करता है, but smart hard work is, I think, better. So I think I got into that.
तो चलो
ये अनिल वनिल, ये मुंबई एंजल्स, इंडियन एंजल्स, ये भी ज्ञान दे रहे थे, तो हमने भी राजस्थान एंजल बना दिया. He was with Mumbai Angels then. तो हमने कहा ठीक है. अच्छा, then I could have gone to Mumbai Angels, I could have gone to Indian Angel Network, but मैंने कहा नहीं, अब तो खुद ही कर, because I can't, be part of a herd.
महावीर यही point extend करना है कि we don't have to wait for anybody else to come in.
Yeah.
तो ये tier 2 का और tier 3 का आखिरी मैसेज दे दीजिए.
मैसेज बड़ा क्लियर है कि you should learn from people who are in the field or domain, senior people, but you should create your own. क्योंकि जो अपना करने में मजा है वो दूसरे के लिए करने में मजा नहीं है. And I think that is something that all of us have realized, whether we started from traditional businesses, whether we started to work in angel networks, whether we started to work for family offices, but having our own fund now all this जो सामने वाली रो बैठी है is far more beneficial, far more it just gives you a lot of confidence in yourself and also satisfaction, in my opinion.
Thank you on that note.
Thank you, sir.
Please give warm applause for this wonderful points you mentioned about it. Over to you.
Thank you so much, sir, to express our sincere appreciation for their valuable insight and time. We would like to felicitate our esteemed panel dignitaries with the mementos. I request to Mr. Sashikant Chaudhary, sir, to please felicitate with the mementos to our extreme guest today, Mr. Mahavir Pratap Sharma, on the stage, please. Thank you. Thank you so much.